What exactly do you want me to say? Have you not gotten the wealth that you wanted? Come on, baby, you should know that nothing goes for nothing.
Baby, there is nothing to worry about. We also did the same thing. I sacrificed my mother. And I also sacrificed my sister. So please.
Why? Why did you deceive me?
I did not deceive you. You should thank to me that I removed you from poverty. Stop all this nonsense and stop acting like baby.
If you're told what it takes to be a rich person, you will say, let me continue. Oh, I see
Queens, the reigning queens. Queens, we shall reign forever. Queens, riches and wealth are in our hands.
We have a new convert before us. Tonight she will be initiated into the sisterhood. Who is her godmother?
I.
What is her name?
Ugebe.
Ugebe.
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready to do anything to make money and liberate my family from poverty.
Are you willing to face the consequences of being a member of this fraternity?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready to do anything. My uncle is suppressing my family just because he's rich and we are poor.
Wealth and riches shall be given to you. But it will cost you a huge sacrifice. Are you still willing to do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great queens, arise! Oh, great queens, arise! Oh, great queens, arise!
Wealth and riches shall be given to you. But it will cost you a huge sacrifice. Are you still willing to do this?
If you're told what it takes to be a rich person, you will say, let me continue. Oh, I see no one number is one that might give you a go. Oh, because of ego. Sacrifice.
I was a fool not to have read meaning to the words of Queen Mother. God. So, I actually killed my own father myself. I killed my father. Killed my father. God, please forgive me. I didn't know. I killed my father. God. How did Cheta find out? How? And now I think she's going to tell Mama. No, God. God, I think I have to stop her. I think I have to stop Cheta. God, I can't believe I killed my father.
There is nothing you can do to Ugebe.
Ugebe has money. Oji raw cash. That is the truth. So all you can do is you make your own money so that she doesn't suppress you. Oh yes. And here am I, ready to do everything for you. I'm going to give you all the money. All of the contacts. So that you can become the most powerful woman in the universe. Hey. Yes, please, I'm on my way. Don't worry. Come on, I'll soon hit the road. And yes, I will hit the road soon. Cheta, what is it? Why are you not dressed for the party? We're late already.
I don't think I'm going for that party.
Why exactly, if I may ask?
Diamond, since the last time you told me about giving me a contact, you haven't said anything about it. You only took me to a spiritualist.
That's only because you did not show interest.
Well, I am interested. I am. Listen, I really want to make this money. I need that contact. I need to be powerful. I need it. Please.
Okay. That's fine. I will help you, but let's go to the party first. Please go dress up.
Promise me you will.
I cross my heart. I'll do it for you. Come on. Okay, babe, so go dress up.
Watch me come out in my this.
I see you, baby. Alright, babes. Come in your best clothes. Hello. I'm coming. I'm coming now. You see us now. Cheta, hurry up!
I am out for the sacrifice. No going back. I am ready.
Is this the place you said you were bringing me to? Yes. Your mother will soon be here and she'll give you all your heart's desires. Of which kingdom? I hope this is not a call. No. Are you sure? Apaka! All hail the Queen Mother. Speak! For I know why you are here. Is she ready to do all you have asked her to do? Yes, Queen Mother. Please, help her. She's my friend. She's capable.
Awu Yamatanga. Ayahu Erebrekenda. Makata Magema. You are going to stay here for 3 days. At 12 today, I will take you to the stream where you will be cleansed. Then tomorrow, I will present to you a gift you will give to your mother. And that gift is going to be for her alone. Aha.
All hail Queen Sabina.
Stretch out your palm. Your riches and wealth are in your palm. Only if you are ready to acquire them. Yeah.
Sacrifice must be before you bulego. Bulente mami, ego na yalo. I am out for the sacrifice, yo. Ego, no going back, yo. I am ready, yo.
Hello, babe. I have all the information that I need. Yes. I'll be on my way to her apartment, so... No, you don't have to worry. I can handle this. Yes. I'll give you a call when I'm done. Okay, bye. Bitch. She'll be so surprised to see me in her apartment.
Sacrifice must be before you bulego. Bulente mami, ego na yalo. I am out for the sacrifice, yo. Ego, no going back, yo. I am ready, yo.
What are you doing in my house?
Are you surprised to see me? Officer, arrest her. This is the hoodlum that kidnapped my sister.
What did you just say?
You heard me. Officer, arrest this girl immediately. Before she runs away. This girl is a hardened criminal.
How dare you make such a horrible remark against me?
Young lady, you are under arrest for the attempted kidnap of one Miss Cheta Akundo. For that, I advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the law court.
Officer, please. I think there's a mix-up somewhere. I did not kidnap her sister. Please.
This girl is mischievous. Arrest her immediately.
Whatever explanation you want to do it in our station. So you have to come with me to avoid the force. Or do you want me to apply force on you?
If she refuses to comply, use force on her. Move!
Let's go. Like I say, whichever explanation you have, do it in our station, please.
Okay, officer, calm down now.
I said move!
Move! Idiot is now cooling her head in the police custody. Yes, of course. And I will not get her released until she provides my sister. You needed to see her face when she saw me. Udoka! Check who's at the gate. Don't you trust your girl?
Hello, bitch. I have come to find out why you locked my friend up.
If you know what is good for you, turn your back and leave my house. Now!
You're playing with fire. You are playing with fire. I give you from now till 5 p.m. If you don't release my friend, you will dance to my music.
Oh my God. You know what? I was actually overrating you.
Oh, really?
I actually thought you had some sense. The case we are talking about is a kidnap case. And you know how the government treats such cases. If I were you, I will consider my friend as good as gone.
You are blabbing. Blah, blah, blah. Do I look like I care the case you have with my friend? I don't care about the case you have with my friend. All I'm saying, I'm giving you from now till 5 p.m. Don't release her, then you will know what I'm talking about.
Okay. We shall see who is blabbing. Udoka! Get this thing out of my house now!
Okay. Last one, Tin. Awawa. Please. But I'm gonna man embarrass you now.
If your hand touches me, you will regret today you were born.
Udoka, fools. I do not want to see this thing in my compound.
Sorry, ma. Tin.
Open this to me, please.
Let me have mess, I'll show you now. Open her now.
My friend, open this.
I'll see you again, oh. See.
No, sweetheart. Let's chase our love.
Come on, babe. Let's go inside.
So quick. Darling, we have all the time in the world. Alright? Let's just take it easy and enjoy our drinks. Huh?
You don't understand what I mean by we don't have time on our side. Come on, I can't wait anymore. I need you.
No, come on, take it easy. Don't be in a haste. No? Let's just enjoy our drinks.
Let's go inside.
Alright, don't worry, we'll go.
Do you like it?
Of course. We have all the time tonight, alright? Let's just take it easy.
Let's go.
Alright, if you want. Can I go
Jesus! What is going on here?
Babe, who is this guy?
You say what it?
Ben, please stop it. What is the meaning of this? Why would you not come before coming to my house?
Meaning what? Meaning what, Tina? Wait, is this what you've been doing behind me? Tina, okay then?
My goodness, I can't take this insult. I mean, it's too much for me to do. I mean, who is this guy that barged into this place?
Why? Women are wayo, wayo. Why am I even crying for you? Ordinary girl like you, why am I even crying? See, let me tell you, I don't want to ever see you in my life again. Don't even call my phone again. Don't try it. Stop calling, go. Wash yourself, come on for where I did. Oh, yeah, just my call you, sir. Avoid me, oh. Wayo. You get locked. I swear, you get locked. I'm going to use sponge, come on your teeth.
Please leave this.
I know why you're there. If you don't know, like I clear you. You were locked. You were in school lost. I need to open smart guy now. Why? Don't.
Have you seen the insult? I can't take this anymore. I think I'll also be on my way since you don't want to talk.
What's the meaning of that? Where did you say they go? Where are you going to? He has gone and you two want to leave. Come, let's go inside.
Oh, what's the meaning of this?
Let's go inside.
Sacrifice it must be before you go.
The task is completed.
I am up for the sacrifice. No going back.
Take this.
Sacrifice it must be before you.
You are to travel to your village this afternoon.
I am out for the sacrifice.
Present that gift to your mother and make sure she put it on to see how it fits her. And expect your wonders 2 weeks from today. Am I understood?
Yes. Yes, Mommy. Yes.
No matter what happens, keep that clothes safe, because that is your source of wealth.
Too many commitments.
You can now leave.
Go!
Jukes, I could not believe my eyes. The thing one toe. If you see the way the guy was holding her by the waist, look at this guy's way bully and who could see,
I be this girl will say she love me.
Ben, see, you know I told you to, study this lady very well. But you trusted her so much. I mean...
Nah, bro, I know they do again. I did tell you, I'm done with her. It's over between us.
And you just...
It's over.
You think she'll just give up so easily? Nah.
How is that supposed to be my business? Guy, you know, consign me. Say I don't pull out, say I don't pull out. I lost my girlfriend because of that lady. My girlfriend that I love so much. Nah, reason I'm nah.
But Ben, this lady too loves you.
Koko.
Yes.
Koko, she doesn't love me. I'm telling you, she doesn't love me.
Man,
she's the one calling. No, I won't pick her call. If she like, let her call from now till tomorrow. I won't answer her. She can't lie be all these ones.
Well, see, if she asks me, I would advise you to just take everything easy. I mean, you know, this kind of girl, they are so hard to just let go like that.
Bro, I know they do again. I swear, we'll go see later. We'll talk. Don't worry.
Bro, this is Tina we are talking about.
Which Tina? Which Tina? The girl that cheated on me. She made me feel like I was the only man in her life. But not knowing that she was playing with my head.
But she loves you, man.
She don't love me. If she loves me.
Hey! Cheta
Mama.
Cheta
Mama.
Hey, wey! Obugi mama.
Onye genye.
Obugi mama.
Onye genye.
Obugi mama.
Onye genye.
Ubu George.
Onye genye.
Iyerinte.
Mama, it's okay. Mama, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, make her demand for my own gift, I beg.
Uzukwa, don't tell me to stop. Eh? Have you ever been a mother before? Do you know what it takes to be a mother? In a stop. Eh? I am rejoicing because my daughter did not just come back. She came back alive and well. Okay. And not only that, if you go,
Mama, this is little compared to what I will be giving to you in no time. Yes, so Mama.
Yeah.
Just like little people will say it. She lacks.
Yeah, na kobe de beans at all.
Chata.
Calm down.
Yeah, but now kobe de beans.
Chata. Where's my own gift?
I have something for you.
Where's my own gift? Are you sure?
Are you jealous?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
God bless you.
He said.
Adamoro binne ya.
Mommy.
Adadiorama.
Asam.
Mama. Yeah. Hey.
Obiora.
Cheta.
Hey.
Where's my own gift?
Nebiko.
Where's my own gift? I will come fight you now. Where's my own gift? Where's my own gift? I'll come fight you now.
Biko, don't be jealous.
Ben, stop please, I'm picking my call.
Tina, why are you behaving like this? And who is that guy you should be dying for this way?
Good, you will not understand, okay?
Tina, honestly, you're making me feel irritated by your attitude. Come on. There are lots of men out there willing to have you. Come on, stop dying for one.
Oh, God. Good. I need a man. I need a man I will spend the rest of my life with. And Ben is that man. I need him. I want him.
Please, I'm out of here. Go on and call whosoever.
Please close the door. Ben, I want you. I want you. I need you.
Obiora, you need to see the way Epupe treated me while I was at her place. She treated me like I was a complete stranger.
Is you?
Yes.
But she talk say you run come off for her house.
More. We see a paradise like that and now run away. Why? I did not run. Nah, because I have to go to Okoli.
Nah, true. Wetin a bedu no good.
I'm telling you.
Wetin she do no good. I no go support you.
Brother, because that one is story for another day. I need you to do something for me.
What is it?
I want you to accompany me to Uncle's house.
Which uncle?
Uncle Mike.
Jetta.
Calm down.
Jetta. I don't have any business with that uncle. No, they tell me anything concern. Jetta, no now. Jetta, why they do like this now?
Calm down.
Why you want to spoil my mood?
That man did not kill our father.
What did they talk? Why is that not?
Hey. Mama Landiam. How do I look? Hey. I am going to the community market to go and show them that my daughter has arrived. Yes, my level has changed. Mama, this is the wrapper I just gave you now. Is it not my wrapper? It's for you, but I thought you were going to. I am tired of wearing all this small wrapper. I want to go and show them in the community market that my daughter has made it. You told me that this is just the beginning, that more are coming. So I want to start on time to display what I have. What kind of Genesis before Exodus, the Revelation. That is what I'm saying. That is what I'm doing. Okay. I have to go to the market table so that all eyes will be on me. I want to show. I want to flaunt it. Mama, you are looking gorgeous. Everything fine. Mama, put your shoulder down now. Here, remove some shoulder pad now. You be learner. You be learner. So you don't know that new rapper? Can't you notice that my slangs have changed? So new rapper, new style. Don't spoil my show. Don't come back and start complaining of backache. This one you are hanging your shoulder like this. Put it down.
Mama don't go kill me.
Back to what we were talking about.
Forgive me. Are you done with your baby mamas? Please go back to them and leave me alone. Then leave me alone. I mean, that's what I've told you.
I'm sorry, I can't do without you.
What is going on here?
Who is this one again?
So you left my friend heartbroken for this rat?
Hey! Point of correction. I will not take that insult from you. Don't ever call me a rat. Are you stupid?
Will you shut up, you brat? You should watch your mouth. Ben, have you seen the shame, the embarrassment you brought upon yourself?
Please, I'm sorry, it won't happen again.
Who's your baby?
If you leave me, I go die, yo. Baby, please now. That this girl. Have you seen what you've caused? Have you seen what you've caused?
Honestly, I don't blame you. I blame Tina for falling in love with church rats like you. Poverty thinking thing.
Get out from here.
Rubbish.
You see who is talking. See who is talking with your sponge with on.
Hey, you better go apologize to Tina. If not, you will get it.
Nothing will happen.
Rubbish.
My friend, get away. Walking, talking.
Animal.
See, she don't even get cow. She use like the waka. You see you go waka tire. Your leg will bend. This you're faking and she go fall for ground. See am. You and your friend are the same thing. Baby, please, now I'm sorry.
Chetana has traveled to the village. But where was she when I arrested Diamond? Because I expected her to come out and confront me. Why did she suddenly travel to the village? My mom said over the phone that Cheta bought her some clothes. Who knows what she must have even told them about me?
Hello, girlfriend. We meet again. This time in your house. Who let you in here?
Ugebe, don't be afraid. We are here to settle our scores with you.
Will you two get out of my house before I get you arrested? Please shut up.
Shut it. Do you think I'm here for a child's play? Do you think I came to joke? Oh, please drop that drink. Let's go for a walk.
I go nowhere with you. Leave my house now.
Ugebe, drop that drink or I will pull this trigger.
Like I said, drop the cup. Let's go for a walk. No time to check time, girlfriend.
Move it.
Oh, please, keep moving.
Diamond, you must regret this.
I will regret nothing. Rather, you'll be the one to regret your entire existence.
Stop exchanging words with these idiots. Now move it!
I'm aware you have a gun. But do not shove me like that ever again.
If I were you, I'll be begging for forgiveness.
But you know I am not a coward.
Ugebe, move it. I will not say this again. Move!
Hey, move! I'm crying out loud.
Good afternoon, Uncle. I'm fine. I was actually on my way to your house to see you. I wanted us to have a talk, but who did think I met you?
Oh, that is very kind of you. What of your sister, Ugebe?
She's fine.
Oh.
I'll just tell you why I was coming to the house. I want to apologize on behalf of myself and my family. I'm sorry for accusing you of killing our father.
Oh.
Please.
Oh. God, thank you. Thank God I've been vindicated. I was actually at your house the other day to apologize to your mother and brother, you know, and also tell them that I'm innocent. I actually wanted to apologize for all the bad things I've done to your family in the past. But your brother did not allow me to talk. He actually chased me away.
So, I know who killed my father.
You do?
I do. And I know that you're innocent.
Oh, thank God. Thank God.
I'll urge that you come back to my house to, repeat your visit to my mother and my brother.
that would be nice because I want to apologize and I want to return all the things, the landed property that I took from your father. So, no problem.
Thank you very much.
It's all right.
Thank you. I'll just go back home since I've seen.
Okay, go well. All right.
Alright. That'd be nice.
Okay.
Just let me know when you want to go to the house.
It's all right.
Obiora! Where is this boy? Obiora! Obiora!
Mama?
Where is your sister?
My sister?
Cheta.
Is she not around?
How can I be asking you if she's around? Huh?
But Cheta the house now. I don't see her. I never tell you where I see her now.
I say she's not around. And I'm asking you, where is she?
Mama.
Cheta Chupu. Cheta Chupu, what is the meaning of this? Why did you bring this evil man to my house?
Mama,
hold on.
Mama, hold on. Cheta! Cheta! So you don't serious when you tell me say they got this wicked man house?
Mama, wait. Mama, wait. Can we all just calm down?
Cheta!
Man, get out of my house! Mama, get out of my house! Mama, what's going on? Calm down. At least let's hear him out. Pico.
Mbonya.
Mama, hear him out. Please.
Martin.
We don't have to shout. What is wrong with you now? Calm down now. Me I went to meet him and brought him here. Am I a fool? Calm down. Here.
Martina.
Mama.
If you want me to kneel down for you, I will.
Mama! Don't mind this wicked man. All this is when they're talking to us and pretend. All this is when they do just a pretend. Cheta. Tell this man to leave here. Tell her making their going house. Tell her making leave here. Don't mind this man. Tell this man to leave here. Tell her making leave here now.
I'm not pretending. I am not responsible for the death of your father. As a matter of fact, I have decided to relinquish every landed property that I forcefully took from him.
Mama. Yes, Mama. He's not responsible for father's death. He's not.
Cheta, beg. Not only all this is where they talk. I beg, no, they talk all this is, I beg. Which can't be this one? See, Cheta, waiting this man give you way make you they talk all this rubbish from out. Waiting this wicked man give you way make you they talk all this rubbish.
I don't know. You don't say you don't get sense.
No,
you don't get sense.
I don't get sense.
So I'm telling you to calm down and allow him explain. Why are you shouting?
Mr. Man, leave this place. I want.
Mama, you go. Mama, let's just listen to him. I'm very sure his purpose of visit will benefit all of us. Oh?
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama. Let's just listen to him.
Let me explain myself.
No, you come here, go do my thing. No! Where that wicked man?
Come back now.
Where that wicked man there? Where is there? Show me that wicked man.
No, see him there now. Slice his throat. Oh, look at what you are holding to kill a full-grown man. A big man. As if you want to slice chicken. You know you don't have sense. Somebody came here to have a peace talk with us. You went to bring knife. We're going to kill him now.
You're telling me they talk to like this?
No. See who are they talk to here. Look, see him. He's inside here.
I go choke you this.
Hey!
So how many babes am I expecting? Oh, good. And when? Please, let's keep in touch, okay? Keep in touch. Yes. Yeah, sure. Thank you very much.
Your number has been busy for over an hour now.
Babe, I'm so sorry. I was speaking with my Chinese partners. What's up? Are you okay?
There is a problem. Ebube has been kidnapped. How? When? I'm just coming back from her house. Her gate man was tied up. And according to him, he said 2 ladies came to the house with a gun and they took Ugebe.
2 ladies?
Yes, 2 ladies. His description matched Diamond and her friend Stainless. I think this is a revenge.
Wait for me.
Alright, I'll be waiting at the car.
Stainless, I said, Diamond would keep going up and nothing gets. I can see we had some visitors.
Obviously, they are here for that bitch.
How the hell did you fucking get into my house, bitch? Shut the fuck up and sit down! Sit down! Sit down!
Where is the baby?
She's dead.
Please calm down. Let's settle this, please.
Settle what? Do you think I'm here to settle anything with you? Listen, I am going to count 1 to 5. If you don't tell me where everybody is, I will kill the both of you. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. It's okay. I'll talk. Speak!
Who is Obior?
He's my late brother's son.
His life is in danger. Yes. If you are not careful, you are going to lose him the way you lost his father.
So what shall we do? Nothing should happen to him, because he's the only male child remaining in my late brother's family. If something happens to him, we are doomed.
You have to repeat the appeasement sacrifice. Now! Do it now before it is too late.
Jata, come, I don't know what to do, Mama. Come, I don't know what to do, Mama. Come now. Mama. Papi, I don't know what to do, Mama. Come. My bed.
Ladies, we are unstoppable.
And we are unconquerable. You do anyhow, you see anyhow.
Up the black ways, you know.
We shall reign forever!
Babes, your phone. Who else? That's my brother. And what else would he want if not money?
He's calling again.
Look, girl, I don't care about these people. I don't want anybody spoiling my mood right now. I can attend to them when I get back home. So for now, I need some music. I need to...
Yes, please. Where is the... Please, pass me that. Thank you. Black Queen! We shall reign forever!
Sacrifice it must be before you bulego. Plenty money, you gonna yellow. I am out for the sacrifice, yo. Ego, no going back, yo. I am ready, yo. Sacrifice it must be before you bulego. Plenty money, you gonna yellow. I am out for the sacrifice, yo. Ego, no going back, yo. I am ready, yo. Sacrifice it must be before you bulego. Plenty you gonna yellow. I am out for the sacrifice, yo. Ego, no going back, yo. I am ready, yo.
Send that message. Eh? Send that message. When she see your message, she will call you back. Send that message now and she will pick her call. Send that message so when she see that your message, she will call back.
Ibuka, Chief don't succeed in killing my parents. If you go there, Chief don't kill my parents. Don't tell me, no, don't tell me it's okay. Don't tell me it's okay. Ibuka, if you know Chief, tell him say anything I see him. Anything I use my two I see him, I don't go like what I go do him, I swear. He don't kill my mama the same way he kill my papa. The same way he kill my papa.
Hope you're alright, it's okay now.
It's okay, calm down, hope you're alright. Let me tell you something. Don't do anything. Don't go and take the law into your hand. Allow God to take care of everything. Judgment belongs to God. He alone can judge. Please, I'm begging you. Just take things easy. You're a man. Take it easy.
Mama! Be a man. Could you get one of my child? Mama!
Why you crying like this? What do you want your sisters to do?
Who go cook a matcha for me? Could you get see more?
What are you two doing in my house?
Mike,
What did you call me? Look, if you know you want to have a meaningful discussion with me in my house, you better address me with respect. Do you know how much it cost me to acquire my chieftaincy title? Do you?
I am sorry.
You better be.
I am sorry. Please, you know why we are here. Ask the police to release our son. We do not want him to spend another night there.
Obiora dares me. He's going to spend the rest of his miserable life in the police cell, except he signs an undertaking for me.
Please, my son said he never threatened your life. Please release him for us. Please.
My son said he never threatened your life. Idiot. And you believe him? Now, both of you, take your miserable, stinky, impoverished, smelling selves from my house this morning. Out!
Michael, Obiozo Keke, are you asking me out of your house?
No. I have warned you earlier. If you want to address me with respect. Call me Chief Michael Okeke, Agadagbachiruzo one of this community. What is so difficult in you understanding that? I can understand that you are a stark illiterate because you didn't finish your standard 6. But this one is a kindergarten store, for God's sake.
Chief Michael, I am your elder brother, and I have every right to address you as my younger brother.
You pride yourself to be my elder brother, and so you talk to me anyhow. Because you are my elder brother, you come to my house and give me command. Now both of you, take your miserable selves out of my house this minute. Leave!
Chief, please. Please, forgive my husband. Forgive him. All we're asking for is for our sons to be released. Please, sir, help us. Please.
Okay, look at me very well. Look at me. Am I putting on police uniform? Am I a police officer? Look at this house. Does it look like a police station to you? If you want your son released, go to the police station and get him released. That's it. What's my business with it?
He is your son. And you instructed the police not to release him until he signs an undertaking. Remember, I am your elder brother.
Chief, please. You are also my husband. And do your rights like a son to you. Please, help us and release him. Please, sir.
Look at me very well. Do I look like someone that will be your husband? Huh? Now let me ask you. Do you want your son to be released?
Yes, Chief.
Really?
Yes, Chief.
Crawl here and kiss my foot. You make it when? Then you're not serious.
Obiozo. 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 So let's go. It's okay, let's go. Our son will come out. My dear, let's go.
But in your own case, it's different. In your own case, the web one more. Help your own, You said no. You're one negaka. You see him,
You're welcome.
What about the children?
They went to warn your brother concerning Obiora's case. After I explained to them how we got there and your brother insulted you and chased us out of his house, they got angry and decided to go and confront him.
Hey, behind the Cheta. These girls will not create troubles for me in this village. Huh? Who allowed them to go to Mike's house now?
Nanya, you know your daughters now. You know how stubborn your daughters can be. I tried stopping them, but they totally ignored me.
I don't like these things at all. These guys are fond of creating one problem or the other for me in this village. I don't like this.
Nah, that is not necessary. We need to find out what happened to them. No matter what, they are your children. And you cannot throw away the baby with the bathing water. Oh, nah.
Huh? They would have waited for me. Am I not capable enough to handle this issue? Eh? Why are these children like this? They won't put me. They are just creating problems with one another on someone. Eh?
Calm down. Huh? Forgive the children. You need to go and find out what happened to them because I have been worried. You know how terrible your brother can be.
It's alright.
You want to go, eh?
Will you join me?
Nah, I would have loved to. But as you can see, I have something on the fire. Oh? Go. Just go, eh? You should go.
Don't worry. I'll do it myself.
You are wicked in somebody, a quensu meregi, embarrassing one negi. You are wicked in somebody, a quensu meregi, embarrassing one negi. You are wicked in somebody, a quensu meregi, embarrassing one negi. You are wicked in somebody, a quensu meregi, embarrassing one negi. Echem nasi wanne marokwa wanne ya. Echem no bo for balado feliri. Echem nasi fedika wanna konamo. But in your own case, is different. In your own case, the pueblo wanne more. Help your own, you said no. You're one negaka, is him.
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this, for goodness sake? Let me in.
You are a big liar. You must leave this house today. Look at you.
Did I steal anything from you? Let me just in. Martina, let me ask you. What have I done to you? Have I wronged you in any way? What's the problem? My brother, thank you. Why is my wife crying? Maybe you should just ask her.
He beats me.
I was about going into the house and your wife refused me in. He did not touch her and she's crying.
Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
He didn't beat her and she's crying.
He stole the money that you left for me. When I traced him outside, he started beating me.
How? No, she's lying, you know. She still go from where? I didn't even go into her room. I didn't even touch it off her. Why now? Martina, why now? Are you stupid? My wife cannot lie. In fact, you have overstayed your way coming in this house. Go and pick your bag and leave my house. Pick my bag to where now? Do I have any other place to go? Go to the village. Leave my house.
You have him. Go to your village.
I say go and pick your bag and leave my house now. Hey. But you at least now, you know me now. There was no way I would steal from your wife now. God. Hey. Brother, you just allow me in. It's cold out there. You know it's raining and it's cold out there.
My husband, what is he doing here?
Mike, you had my wife, right? Please leave.
Brother, please. I've been sleeping in the mechanic workshop for over 3 days now. And it's really cold out there. Mosquitoes and all that. Please now.
My husband, do not listen to him. Someone that has a mind to beat your own wife.
Martina, did I touch you?
Are you stupid? You're still lying, right? Mike, please leave my house.
Oh, brother, please just accept me. It's cool down there. In my house. Ah, brother. Hey, boy. Hey.
What are you doing in my house?
I was told my daughters came here yesterday. So where are they?
You can pretend though. You think I'm not aware that you know their mission to this place?
I don't know what you say.
Liar. You are a complete liar. You sent your daughters to my house to come and insult me?
I didn't send anyone.
You are lucky I'm in my good mood right now. I would have called the police and asked them to detain your daughters one more day.
You saying you locked them up?
Get out. Fool. Get out of my compound. Look at him with a tongue cloth. Poor man, idiot.
See one name, I don't want one name. A gem no bo for bella no fairly. A gem near see Fedica one knock on a more. But in your own case, is different. In your own case, the pueblo one more.
If both of you know where you're coming from,
what is it?
Good nature. We're going. If you know where you're coming from since yesterday, you better go back there. Yeah. Go back to that cell. Tell them to employ you. Or better still, let those policemen marry you. Yes!
Mama, what did you do now?
You don't know what you did. You don't know what you did, eh? You don't know what you did. Did I not warn you people not to go to that wicked man's house? Eh? Did I not warn you?
Mama, see, you need to stop blaming us, because we did nothing wrong. See, that man is just doing this thing simply because he has money.
Thank you. That is the more reason I said, stay away from him. Mama, we cannot stay away from him. So far he gives us trouble. We are stuck with him because we will give it back to him. Yes. We cannot stay away from him. Oh. Mama, you see that man? I will deal with him. This is just the beginning. I am ready for that man. As he's giving me, I am giving him. Yes. As he's giving me, I am giving him. Yes. The more reason I say you should stay away from him. That is why I say stay away from him. Stubborn children. But he wouldn't listen.
Useless children. Huh? Both of you ignored your mother's advice and went to Mike's house to confront him, isn't it?
Papa, leave that thing. You see that man? He must pay for what he made us go through last night. Me, Ebube, I will not let him go scot-free.
We will not let him.
Yeah, you will see now.
Can you listen to your daughter? She's still talking, though. The only thing you have is this your mouth. You cannot do anything other than creating more problems.
Hey, Mama, Biko. If you think she has only mouth, you know I'm here. I'm the fighter. I am the warrior, Mama. I don't preach peace. I preach war. Mama, I want war. You see that man? I will deal with him. Let him just pray that he has his mother spirit guiding him, because I will kill him. Oh, she just created small problem. I am going to create mountain of problems for that man. Oh, that man, I will give him back to back. He's your brother, Abi. Go and tell him to prepare for me, Papa. I will kill that man. Just tell Umuada, tell our palms, let them get correct coffin for him. The rice they will cook that day, I am going to sit down with my full chest and finish the food, because I'm going to celebrate his death.
Cheta Chukwu!
Gine, Mama?
Cheta Chukwu! Torume! You see this house? This house can no longer harbor violent children. You are not coming into this house. Oh yeah, enter now.
Opa front door, Kikochi. You are blocking the front door. Thank God we have backyard. About turn.
Ole go backyard.
Wait, backyard. Wait. See this children.
No, sorry.
You see your children?
You see your children?
You see what your children do?
I can see what your daughters are doing.
How will that do? You can see what that could do. Eh? So your uncle said you and your sister, and you couldn't do anything as a man. What you want make I? No, what you want to make I do? Make I kill him? You dey ask me if you kill him. So you don't say that man na just ordinary man like you. Ginger this man. Talk to this man so this man no go dey look at your sisters and short your family. Eh? Okay, what do you mean now? Make I go confront him, Abi? Yeah, this man. Make I ginger him. There. This man, he will not repeat that thing again.
So you want to make I go kill him? Make I go strangle him, kill him, fight him, Abi? Now what you want me to do, Abi?
I tell you, make you kill anybody. Are you not a man? Do you know this man? Are you afraid of this man? Are you not a man? Hey! Nah, hope you're alright, eh?
Which kind of friend you be? No, which kind of friend you be? You advise me make I go front him. And I said that same thing when you tell me now you land me for sure. You want make I go still do him. If I enter say now what you go do? You go come bear me.
Why I not go bear you? Why I not go come bear you? My guy, if now me this man they do wetin they do you and your family, my pass to God who made me. I go keep person. Now me they tell you, if now me this man they do all this way they do your sister. Eh? Guy. Person go die. Now me they tell you.
Are you okay? You can go squawk and mad.
Nah, guy, na so the thing they pay me. Guy, this man they treat you and your sisters bad. They do wait. Guys, hey, my guy. Guy, meet this man to man. Talk to him. If this man repeat this thing again, one day, he bury his seat.
Guy, they cap nonsense. So waiting come the answer.
You not be man.
Why you dey cap like this?
If you go prison, come out. If you go prison, come out. You not be man. Eh? Not be people that go prison go come out. If you go 3 times.
No, which kind of friend you be? You advise me make I go fight my uncle. If I go fight him, not kill him. He go put me for sale. If he put me for sale, he go come bail me.
Why I not go bail you? Guy, why I not go bail you? If this man put you for prison, I go come bail you. You know why they tell you this thing? If you no react, if you no do something about this man go put you for prison again. Chicken na, that's what it be.
Guy, you dey cap nonsense, so. You dey cap nonsense. Where this one come?
See who I dey help.
You dey help me.
See who I dey help. Obviously, if you reach my day, now you go get mad. You go see your small uncle. You know if you do anything.
You can cause work and money.
No, never to worry, not cook and money.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you. Is he around?
Yes, he just came back.
So can I see him?
Okay, sir.
Chief Mike, good afternoon.
What is good in the afternoon for you? Huh? What are you doing in my compound?
I came to see you. It's been long I visited.
You came to see me? Yes. Now listen. I don't welcome poverty-stricken people like you and your family in my compound. Now leave.
Are you throwing me out of your compound?
Are you asking me questions? I said I don't want to see you. You are still talking. Now leave.
Please, sir, look. If you are still angry, just calm down. Calm down. You know we are brothers. Calm down.
You are brothers, right?
Of course.
You are still there. You don't want to leave, right? Huh?
Are you using... Who are you using that one?
No, it's for my grandfather. I want to use it on my grandfather.
You brought this one for me?
For who? Idiot! Let me see you in my compound again. What is it? I said I don't want to anymore. Leave me alone. Poverty. You want to infect me with poverty? What is it? Come, Osondu, come here. Come here, quick, run! Why did you allow that stupid idiot to enter this compound?
I'm sorry, Oga.
You are sorry. You are sorry. Now lie down. Lie down, idiot!
Hey, Oga, you don't have leg. You don't have leg.
Try to take it. Baby, get out from here. Get out.
Papa, are you actually telling me that Uncle Mike did this to you?
Yes. He chased me out of his house with Koboko. In fact, if not that I ran.
Hey, what did you do to him now? Why did he chase you out?
He said poverty-stricken people like me and my family are not welcomed in his house any longer.
He called those poverty-stricken people? Of course. Papa, you mean that man said that to you?
Yes, of course. Should I be lying over issues like that?
Papa, see, that man is simply an enemy to this family. I'm sure it's not the cause why we are not even married. And Obiora is just loitering around the village, constituting nuisance.
I never knew my brother is this wicked.
Papa, wait. You're still addressing him as your brother? After what he did to you? Ha, Papa. You're the cause of this problem in this family. Look at what he did to you. You're still calling him your brother.
But he's the only brother I have. That's why I'm bothered.
See, Papa, we have to cut ties with this man. We are no more doing again. In fact, he's not related to us in any way. He's not our uncle. He's not your brother. He should stay on his own now. Why will he be treating us like this?
There's nothing I can do. I still love him.
Eh? You still love him? I'm going to be loving him. Let me be going.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to see my friend Tina. She just came back from the city to see her auntie. It's when you die, you
But make sure you don't keep late night, too.
For how long are we going to remain in this abject poverty? There is no hope for us anywhere. The only person that can even liberate us is the one chastising us. God, I am simply tired. What do I do now?
What are you doing here? It's almost 2 a.m. and you're seated here by yourself. What is it? Oloko, what is it?
See, I'm ready to stay up all night. If only he can help me find solution to liberate this family from poverty. I have endured enough. I'm tired.
I am bothered too. I am worried. What can we do? We can't do anything considering the fact that we are both women.
See, whatever a man can do, a woman can do it better.
Akudo! Akudo! Yes? What are you doing there? Come here! What are you doing there? Mike. Didn't I warn you not to step your feet on this land? Huh?
Mike, this is my land. Why are you troubling me?
Hey! What did you call me? Mike! Didn't I warn you to stop addressing me by that name? You're calling me Mike!
But that is your name. I'm your elder brother. And as such, I have every right to address you as Mike. Consider me as a father to you.
Father, look at me very well. And look at yourself, your poor, wretched self. You see yourself as somebody who can father me? Do you know who I am? I control billions. Is it because I'm living with you in this village? Do you know how I made my money? You think I made my money from here? That's very stupid to have called yourself my father. Idiot, Mike, you slapped me, and I will slap you again. Now leave this farm now.
Mike, remember I'm holding a cutlass.
Leave this land, one.
I'm going nowhere.
Leave this land, two.
I am not leaving this land.
Leave this land, three.
This land belongs to me. And mind you, remember I'm holding a cutlass. But because I'm an elderly man, I wouldn't want to kill my own younger brother. That's why I'm going to spare you.
This thing, you think if you caught me with this, you will help me? Come back. She's so wonderful. She's so we're going to see them all.
What is wrong with this? Calling my phone in the morning.
Hi, Ben.
Stop it.
Please, let's go inside.
Go inside where? Eh? You think we are still playing that game? See, I've come to return your things, so this is your car key. Take. Your shine. Lion, carry on. Take your setup. Carry everything. I don't want it again.
Ben, why are you doing this? Ben, I still love you. Please forgive me. It won't happen.
Leave me, oh. Don't touch me. Don't try it.
But I did not ask you to return it. Please,
you don't need to tell me. I returned them because we are no longer together. Sapu Onwegi, wash yourself. Come out from where are they?
Light and darkness has no connection. Carry your magic nyash, they go. I don't want.
Ben, but I still love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
No.
It won't happen again. I will not cheat on you again, I promise.
Tina, I said I will not forgive you. You made me lose my serious relationship. Girl will love me well.
I love you. I love you. I will change the car.
Ben,
I will change
the
car.
man will you as a girlfriend.
Ben!
Get out.
Obiora, what happened to Mama?
I don't know. Mama dey healthy, nothing happened to Mama. I don't know, Mama no dey sick. Cheta even buy one wrapper for am. She come like am, they dance, all of us dey here, they dance. I don't know, Mama enter inside. She say she wan sleep, she no come gree wake up again. I don't know wetin go happen.
Did Mama wear the clothes Cheta bought for her?
Yes, she wear am, the clothes can't even fit am. So she come there, all of us dey dance. I don't know. I don't talk am say make we avoid Chief Mike, but nobody for this house wan hear me. Now Chief Mike don't kill my mother the same way they kill my father.
Hey! Obiora, do you know where the clothes are?
Why you gonna ask me this useless question? Why you gonna ask me say whether I know where the clothes dey? You want wear them? No, you want wear the clothes?
I cannot believe that my mother is gone. Just like that. Who then will enjoy the wealth I am about to make?
The task is completed. Take this. You are to travel to your village this afternoon. Present that gift to your mother and make sure she put it on to see how it fits her. And expect your wonders 2 weeks from today. Am I understood?
Yes. Yes, my queen. Yes.
No matter what happens, keep that clothes safe, because that is your source of wealth. You can now leave.
Cheta, where are those clothes you bought for Mama? I am asking you because I need to know where you got them from.
Are you concerned about the mere clothes I got for her mother? Or her death?
I am concerned about the male clothes because I am anxious to know what killed Mama. Where did you get those clothes from?
What kind of stupid question is that? Huh? I'm asking you.
Teta, you are going to answer me because I know the kind of people you mingle with.
And you think I don't know the kind of people you mingle with? For goodness sake, everything happening in this family, you caused it. So don't even act like a saint.
I know what you did, but I will not talk now. But I am just waiting to see results, Cheta.
And you think I'm going to keep silent? Listen to me, Ebube Chuko. One word from you, and I'll spill.
Now see the quarrel. Huh? All the time, quarrel. What's the problem? Huh? Cheta, what's the problem?
Nothing.
Okay.
Who are you?
Jesus! Hey! Gone! My name is Benjamin. I'm a plumber, professional plumber. Somebody directed me here. The owner of this house needs my services. I come in peace, oh. Makachineka, I come in peace. I'm just an ordinary plumber. I can even show you evidence. These are my tools.
Jifa!
Hey! Another call? Hey! Sorry now, I come in peace. I swear, I come in peace. Who is me? I say I be Benjamin plumber. The plumber I be. Are you sure this is the right? No, you waka come. Kachineke so someone abi so. No let me waka come. I swear. But madam, this one will be say women carry gun mount for the gate. And they say the owner of the building now want tank like she go carry. The plumber be. Shut up. No face this gun. Come face and this side. I'm here.
Mom. Yes. There's a man outside. He said he wants to see you. He said he's a plumber.
Oh. Let him in.
Move! Calm down now. Move to where? Who am I meeting? Who am I meeting?
This way. Guide them, move.
Calm down now. Won't you me go as if I'm a thief?
J3, that's okay.
Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, afternoon. How may I help you?
My name is Benjamin, the plumber guy.
Why didn't you come with your tools?
I want to see the work first before I go home and get my tools.
Oh, I see. All right. Come with me.
Eh?
Are you not here to work?
Yes, ma.
Hello.
Good evening.
So are you done making the list?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay.
So this is it. These are the things to buy. 4 inches pipe, 4 pieces. That's 78,000. 2 inches pipe, 25 pieces. That's 100. And 3 inches pipe. Okay.
Sit. So how much is it,
250,000 for everything.
And you included your services?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I'll give you 300,000.
I said 250,000.
Of course I heard you right. I did. We have dream. Go ahead.
Help yourself.
Please help me fill the glass.
Okay. I should really want to thank you for offering me a drink.
Really?
Yes.
You know you're quite handsome.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm. Are you surprised? Cheers. Go ahead.
Cheers.
You can help yourself on more if you want some. It's okay. Go ahead.
My guy, I just come back from where my sister Cheta dey build house. One. If you see the kind house where Cheta my sister dey build, hi! If you see the kind house where my sister Cheta dey build for this village, na number 1.
Are you serious?
Chineke. Diego Cheta nwanne m buta n'obodo a. Diego. Cheta just money. Hi! Chineke.
So how did your sister get this kind of connection that gave them this so much money?
My guy, if you ask me, who I go come ask? What they consign me? How they take make the money? Waiting give am money no consign me. My own I make I just they manage the money. Make them they bring the money, make I they manage them.
He no concern me.
See what you dey talk. Yeah? You don't know you're a man.
What be your problem? See, make I tell you something. Again, with you know they even understand. For this generation, we know they talk about who be man and who be woman. Waiting would they talk about now? Who they in that power to make the money? Now be the cocoa. All this one way they talk now children's talk.
So
no.
what do you mean? What do you mean?
What do I mean? Waiting I mean be say my two sisters are billionaires. My guy, see, make I tell you something. Level don't change you. As you see Obiora like this, I don't be big boy. I get money. My sister gets money. See, very soon I go even marry. If I like, I go born 10 children. Waiting children go chop, no be problem. Ego kale. Eh? Mwoyo wanachemu anazo. Nka wete. Wana toto. Guy, you know what you be? Ibo banyo nonto. Suffer man or yebo. Why go they talk like say be smart?
No, this one I no go take. I beg, no insult me. Say we dey at the talk, no they insult me, I beg.
Namdi na me they raise hand for. Like this, they want me. See, make I tell you something. Level don't change. Me, I know they the same level. You know, as you say you get 2 billionaires for your house. My sisters are billionaires. You don't they want me like this? See, make I tell you something. Go take your time. Oh. See, any day when you insult me or do me anything I don't like for this village, I go just call my sister. They go from headquarters, carry police, come carry you. And any day when I give them more than they go release you. So give me respect. Very careful with me. Oh. Level don't change, Oga. Easy to get sisters who get money. Oga.
No be you there they shout hustle. Hey. Now your money.
Hey! It's not easy to get sisters who get money. If you get, go and hustle. Oga, go and hustle. You there they chew chewing gum. Your mate they chew chewing gum. Papa like you they chew chewing gum. We don't talk about money. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Hey, I say hello now. Emegene Nando. Hi. You want no chicken? See chicken, no. Hey, what you pay me? You pay me, say mama, you know they're around. They see all these blessings with your children can. See money, see car.
See, not try to insult me again, no.
No.
I'm not gonna take her from you. I'm not gonna try to take her from you again.
Sorry, I'm not gonna insult you. No verse. Sorry. I'm not gonna insult you again. No verse. No verse.
I won't make sure, see, you not gonna insult me again.
I'm not gonna insult you again, are they man? Why am I gonna insult you? I'm not gonna ever insult you again.
You see me for this village. Any day where you insult me, any day where you insult me, you see what I go do.
No, why are they mad? I'm not gonna insult you again, no verse.
Yeah. Obi. You know say only you feel insult me for this village, I go take her. Anybody will try him. Fire. I swear.
So because you don't see chow, you don't see chicken and fish with a drink. So now I make a fish insult you, abi. Poverty is a disease.
I beg. Mama, mother, you go little. That's it.
Wait, be your problem. See, no use this kind of thing play with me again. You get mad? You get mad?
Give me something now.
Give me what now?
Give me. See if you see chicken now. Give me one.
And your own?
But when you go to cry, you go call me now. But you reach food now, you no won't call me.
Wait till you don't help me do for this village. If I want toast to woman, they go catch me. They laugh me. If I want enjoy myself, they send you come for this village. Make you the monitor me.
Not be me tell you what you do your guy, but you do your uncle. You do it in the wrong way, and they arrest you. You say you do it the way I want, and they don't go do it.
Not be better friend.
Give me something. You give me anyone.
But they're very careful. But what in the worry yourself?
Oh, you give me fish now.
Fish, you buy fish, come here. As you come here, you carry fish, come.
Then I'm thinking, come one hour.
I cannot slap you here. Come on. You not gonna allow me enjoy in peace. Huh?
Yeah, Abadom.
Ngwano, see you in the evening, huh?
Give me fish now.
Namdi, be careful, oh. Very careful with me. You know, man? What are you?
Give me one now.
Give you one with it.
Yeah?
What's this one? Now give me that. 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 I put right poison for that fish. Good time. Hot poison there. That fish. If you chop out, you want that?
Auntie, come now.
Wait, my guy, wait. Sorry. My guy. You won't tell me, say, you tell this lady to give you 250K, right?
Mm-hmm. I even expected her to bargain, but she did not.
And she gave you 300,000.
She doubled the money. That was what happened.
Wait, is she married?
No, she's not married. Chooks, I don't really know. I don't know why such ladies keep coming into my life. Her countenance when she stopped me, like, I'm still confused though. The thing got me so much concerned. Because I want
Guy, calm down. You don't start though. See, you don't start. See, like this, me I no get power to beg charity. Please.
Wait till that one come in. I don't understand.
Oh,
you don't get power to beg. How?
Okay, how? You know what I talk about, but meanwhile, no be that one carry us can say. Have fun now. Soft your guy small now.
Soft you as what?
20K.
As what?
As your guy now.
You be my guy.
Ben, calm down. Be your guy now. Soft me small now.
Ben, we sit down. See here.
Don't worry, everywhere good. Together. Hello. We got that day now. See here.
So now, who come the dog?
Don't worry.
I dey ask you who come. The Jones, so the Jones where chooks you don't they talk careless.
My God, you know just give me 5K.
Obiora said over the phone that Chetana bought 4 plots of land and she has started developing it. Wow. So the result I talked about is out at last. But really? Where was she all this while?
Tina, I've not seen her for 2 days now. Hello, babe. Are you okay? Where have you been? Okay, I'll be with you shortly. What could be the news she talked about? You sounded so urgent over the phone. Yeah. Is anything the matter?
Yes. Have you met with your sister after your mother's burial?
No. But Obiora called me and said she's building lots of houses in the village.
Do you remember the South Africa Connect I told you about some time ago?
The one you said was awarded to someone else?
Yes. And guess who that is?
Who? Chetana?
Yes.
Oh my God. This is unbelievable.
She got the contract. And it might surprise you to know that I have also discovered where she lives.
Who must have connected her?
I guess it's spiritual.
Oh my goodness. This must be my mother's blood.
Do you remember the South Africa Connect I told you about some time ago?
The one you said was awarded to someone else?
Yes. And guess who that is?
Who? Chetana?
Yes.
Oh my God. This is unbelievable.
She got the contract. And it might surprise you to know that I have also discovered where she lives.
Oh my God. Who must have connected her?
I guess it's spiritual.
Oh my goodness. This must be my mother's blood.
She has no joy at all. No, she is in the game. She has paid the sacrifice needed. Right now, she's in the game. Bad face. Bad face. Jeta, Echezokana, Jeta, don't forget, remember, everything has a price. You cannot eat your cake and have it again, Jeta. This is blood for money, blood for more riches. Jeta, no more wobbly. Jeta, Jeta, you have no conscience. You have sold your soul to the moon in exchange of money. You have no conscience. You have sold your soul to the moon in exchange of money. You must give no conscience. You have sold your soul for more power in exchange of money. You have no conscience. You have sold your soul to the moon in exchange of money. You have no conscience. You have sold your soul to...
Bring her in.
So this is the result you talked about when our mother died.
I knew you were going to look for me until you find me. Here I am. Welcome to my humble abode.
Cheta, you killed our mother.
No, don't say that. I did not kill our mother. But if that's what you think, then so be it. But you set the standard for me by killing our father.
It was not intentional. Oh. But you intentionally killed our mother. Out of your own greed and quest for power.
Take it easy, girl. You're shouting. This is my house. And you sound very stupid. Now let me make this clear. First off, I am your elder sister. You mind the way you talk to me. Secondly, you thought I was going to be dependent on you forever. Well, you can see it with your eyes. Take a look around. What do you see? I am now bigger and better. I am now a global agent with a very, when I say very, capital letter V-E-R-Y for a big firm in South Africa.
Cheta, you are wicked. You are evil and heartless.
Well, there goes my teacher. You taught me, remember?
I see you have joined the lesbian cult. I just confirmed it. But mark it! You are going to regret every bit of this.
You dey Chris. Like I say you don't coolus. You dey whine yourself. No, you dey mad. I be like who you go threaten. Well, let me make this clear to you. I am bigger than what you think. It is too late for you to threaten me. Your time don't pass. Now, it is blood for blood. Sister to sister. The game just started. Bring it on. We shall see. We shall see nothing. Get your filthy self off my house. Bingo. G3. Bring back my guests.
She has paid the sacrifice needed. Right.
There she goes. Back to the party.
Ugebe, can you calm down and tell me exactly what the issue is? I don't like this thing you're doing. Stop pacing around, please.
God, Tina, I went to my sister's house yesterday. You needed to see the way this girl humiliated me. God, I have never been humiliated in such a manner in my entire life. I was so ashamed. God!
Tell me exactly what happened.
First of all, I was humbled by her affluence. Tina, this girl is way richer than I am. Her money long. Girl, I couldn't breathe.
Is that all?
Sorry? What do you mean, is that all? Is it supposed to be so? Come on! We made the same sacrifice.
Ugebe, you know what? You still stand a chance to request for more wealth from the sisterhood.
Your wealth is in your hands.
I will make another request tonight. I cannot have her intimidate me with money. No way.
Black queens, we shall reign forever.
The reigning queens. We shall reign forever.
Black queens.
Riches and wealth are in our hands.
Once more, you are all welcome. I want you to present your sacrifices of obligation to the great Lord of the Queens for your fortification. Go ahead and present your sacrifices. It is done. Great Black Queens.
The reigning queens.
Ebube.
Great Queen Mother.
It is time for you to present your appeal before we continue with the rest activities of the night.
Great Queen Mother. My heart is troubled. My sister acquired more wealth, and hence she's using it to intimidate me.
Nobody, nobody born of a woman can intimidate a black queen. We are always on top of the game. Eva, you need to make another blood sacrifice so that 1,000,000-fold of your sister's wealth will be given to you. Come see. He is our sacrifice. I need you to get me some strands of his hair.
You need to count yourself lucky that you have an opportunity like this.
I killed my father, and now you're advising me to kill my only brother?
How? Your only brother, you said? Your only brother that boasted before you that Cheta is more richer than you. Use your sense, babe.
Okay. I understand it is not easy. But girl, you need to understand that this is a battle you must win. You need to prove to Cheta that you were in this game before her.
Yes, Tina is right. Like I said, your brother values Cheta because she is more successful, wealthier, and richer than you.
If you're told what it takes to be a rich person, you will say, let me continue.
Girl, I know it is not easy, but this is a battle you must win for us.
Hey, wonder shall never end. Is this the magnificent house they say Cheta is building? Nah, where did this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12. Hey! Nah, I bet how much we take because.
Uncle?
Namde.
Yeah? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Namde. Namde.
Yeah?
Is this the house they say Cheta is building?
Uncle, this is one of Cheta's houses now. I'm just coming from the other side.
Namde.
Yeah, Uncle.
Are you saying one of?
Yes, sir.
Are you saying there are so many other ones?
Uncle, Cheta is a multi-millionaire. I'm just coming from one of her houses. Work is going on there morning and night.
Wait, let me ask. Where did she get all this money from?
Cheta is working with foreign companies now.
Ndocha?
Oyibo people. They pay her in dollar.
Hey, dollar! Dollar!
Uncle.
Hey! Namde, do you know what pains me most? Is that my friend Akud and the wife is not alive to witness this blessing.
Let me take you inside and show you rooms. You know you've not been inside. This house is from here now. Go down.
Hey!
Uncle.
Hey! Hey!
Uncle, it is now.
Yeah!
Green. I want
you inside here.
Come on, will you get out?
I don't push you. Get out! Get out! What's going on here?
Ben, what are you doing here?
Ben, do you know this bitch?
Cheta, he's my man. And I ask again, what is he doing here?
Ben?
Hey, you! Quiet your mouth. Which can't talk with that one? Which can't only talk with that one? Who be your man? Eh? Wait, I disable your man by emergency. If you see your man, you're not going to recognize him again. I ask you! My woman. You see this girl? She used to be my friend. But that was then. We've been working on Anleka.